Hi, we are going to introduce Dymo Label Writer 400, which belongs to Dymo, in turn belonging to Sanford Group of companies. Now, this Label Writer 400 is a product which is versatile and a robust label printing machine. Now, what it does in terms of improving productivity. Now, this particular printer composes of two things. One is the whole body of the printer and the cup which encloses the label roll. Now, this label roll can come in different sizes. Now, this is the width of the roll and this could be the length of the roll. Now, the roll or individual label will have different sizes, or to say that we can supply different labels of different sizes according to the requirement of the customer. The same printer can be connected to the PC via USB and to power via power cable, which comes as a standard accessory along with the printer. The printer has easy to use interface software. Now, when I mean easy to use interface, now it has basic functions of a normal application like file, edit, view, format, layout, address book, etc. We can ensure that we can import address books from Excel file, like in this case some Excel file that you need, and then you can take prints directly. Also, this particular software has the option where you can do some graphical notations. For example, I choose a file first, choose the type of label, high capacity address, large address label, which is 36 by 89. Our nomenclature of label primarily depends upon the dimensions of the label. Now, when I mean 89 by 36, I mean to say large address label, which is the one that is being in the printer. This can also be identified by the fact that the product code which is being shown here, which is 99012. I think the image might probably be blurred, but this is the location of where you would find the product code, which would match the product code of the label in the box, and it will be quite easy to identify the type of the label. Here I choose the label type, and the beauty of the software is that it is loaded with preloaded templates. We can choose the type of templates that you need. For example, I am choosing this one, where it is a label that denotes part code, part number, etc. Then you have barcode on the left and the right side, and you can also print text over here too. If you want, you can remove the label if needed, remove the barcode if needed, and do the necessary modifications. Now, the printing will go like this. Once you're through with the necessary modification in the label, you have to just give a print, which is on the right hand side corner. Giving a print will generate a label print like this. Because of the perforation and the teeth that is available in the printer, you can tear it quite easily and display it like me over the camera, but jokes apart, it can be stuck on any surfaces. This separates the adhesive and the non-adhesive portion of the label. Take it, and I am sticking it on my own printer. Now, this width and the length can be varied. I'm coming to say that the roll itself can be changed according to the needs of the customer. Now, if you want a very small label, like if you can have a look at the software, you see an option where you can take file folder labels. This, in my opinion, is the smallest one. You can see that the dimensions of this is hardly 50 millimeters by 12 millimeters. This is the smallest of labels that we have, which are purely for file suspensions. Now, how to create your own template? I choose the type of the address label, and I also choose the type of label. Like for example, address and large address. I choose a plain one. I didn't do anything. I delete it. Now I insert a image or preloaded clip arts. Okay, now I also insert a text box, which is a separate text format apart from the image that is being inside the printer. Okay, now here I write take diversion. When I save this, it saves as a template where you can also put the file name, like for example diversion, and save it. Here you see it gets saved in the saved labels options. Go to the saved label, open the file. Here on the right hand side you can see that the file which we have saved has appeared again. Now this is quite interesting for labels that are to be printed on a regular basis and in volume with minimum modification. You can also, as I told earlier, import data from Excel files or comma separated files as and when required and take a print. Any clarifications, you can contact us in our email ID. Thank you.